First, to know what is the basic of Gestalt Theory or psychology. Second, to know and understand the principles and objectives of Gestalt Theory. And the third, understand and comprehend on how we could apply Gestaltism in teaching or learning process.
Good day, everyone. I am Alpatrick B. Casino.
I am Shane P. Zambas.
I am Charmin Grace Maternal.
And we are from Group 7 who will discuss the Gestalt Theory of Psychology.
The situation or speaking task may be different, but we still use the same skills. Our goal today is to help you know what is Gestalt Theory. But before I call on Mr. Casino to discuss what is Gestalt Theory, let's have a quick activity.
What can you see in the picture? It was just plenty of shapes, right? But if we focus to see it as a whole, our mind will register that thing as an airplane because of the shapes were formed similar to an actual plane.
This idea that we make sense of things by seeing a whole rather than the individual parts is what we call Gestalt psychology. Most of us doesn't even know that we already encountered this kind of psychology. Maybe the word is a bit deep, but with the help of our video presentation, it would be easy for us to understand this topic. Gestalt theory is also known as law of simplicity. The founders of Gestalt theory are Max Wertheimer, Wolfgang Köhler, and Kurt Koffka. Along with Köhler and Koffka, Max Wertheimer was one of the principal proponents of Gestalt theory, which emphasized higher-order cognitive processes in the midst of behaviorism. The focus of Gestalt theory was the idea of grouping. Characteristics of stimuli cause us to structure or interpret a visual field or problem in a certain way. For example, this picture shows two figures. In our naked eye, we can see a gorilla and a panther staring at each other. However, we could also see a tree with falling leaves. The explanation of it is that our mind is grouping the small details to create a complete figure based on our imagination, which is why in our example, we could see two figures in one picture. The primary factors that determine grouping were: number 1, proximity. It defines that the elements tend to be grouped together according to their nearness. Number 2 is similarity. Similarity defines as the items similar in some respect tend to be grouped together. Number 3 is closure. Items were grouped together if they tend to complete some entity. And number 4, simplicity. Items will be organized into simple figures according to symmetry, regularity, and smoothness.
There are 3 principles of Gestalt theory. First one is the learner should be encouraged to discover the underlying nature of a topic or problem. Second, gaps, incongruities, and disturbances are an important stimulus for learning. Third, instruction should be based upon the laws of organization, proximity, closure, similarity, and simplicity.
Gestalt theory is a good theory that could facilitate the learning and teaching processes and renew educational relationship. It made some adjustments on teaching strategies by giving new ideas on how the students would be assessed. It could also help the students to know the essence of how the mind registers to what the eye seek, and help them address complex subjects into simpler and more identical way. Gestalt psychology could be applied in all aspects of living, but it could be used more on problem solving like in mathematics. In that way, Gestalt theory may be able to apply in teaching and learning process.
That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching our video presentation, and God bless us all.